Bees are one of the most important pollinators in nature, and beekeeping is a vital part of keeping our planet healthy. Bees play an important role in our environment, and by understanding their needs and taking the necessary steps, we can make sure that the bees continue to thrive. In simple terms, pollination is the transfer of pollen from one flower to another. This process helps plants reproduce and can also help spread beneficial genetic traits. Pollination helps the plants produce seeds, fruits, and vegetables, which in turn provides food and habitat for animals, birds, and other insects. Pollination is essential for our ecosystem, as plants are essential for the air we breathe and the food we eat. Beekeepers play an important role in helping pollinate flowers and other plants. They are responsible for managing the bee population and making sure that the bees have access to the plants and flowers they need. Beekeepers must also ensure that the beehives are safe from predators and that the bees have enough food to eat. Beekeeping is one of the most important ways to ensure that pollination is taking place so that plants can reproduce. Beekeeping is not without its challenges, however. In addition to managing the bee population, beekeepers must also contend with pests and diseases, which can have a devastating effect on the bee population. Furthermore, climate change, the use of pesticides, and habitat destruction can all have an adverse effect on bee populations, further diminishing their ability to pollinate. Despite the difficulties, beekeeping is still a worthwhile endeavor as it helps to ensure that our environment remains healthy. As well as providing us with food, pollination also helps to improve air quality, reduce erosion, and even regulate the climate. Beekeepers play a key role in protecting and sustaining the environment, and their efforts are essential for our planet's future.